Hey guys, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this grainy distortion effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see on the timeline, I have got a stock footage. You can use any footage that you like. First of all, make sure the video footage is selected, and then move over to the effects panel to apply some effects. Firstly, I am going to use a directional blur effect. Let's double click on the directional blur effect to apply to the video clip. Next, we have to apply another effect. This is a mosaic effect. After that, I am going to use a tint effect. Let's double click on the tint effect to apply to the video clip, and then we have to apply another effect. This is a brightness and contrast effect. And lastly, I am going to apply another effect. This is a noise effect. Let's double click on the noise effect to apply it to the video footage. Now, go over to the effect controls panel to customize all the effects. Before customizing all the effects, I am going to disable the effects and customize them one by one. Firstly, from the directional blur effect, let's make the direction parameter value around 90, and then let's make the blur length parameter value around 100. After that, from the mosaic effect, let's make the horizontal blocks parameter value around 200, and then let's make the vertical blocks parameter value around 50. After that, we need to enable the sharp colors property by clicking on this box. In the next step, I am going to leave the tint effect as it is, so the color will be black and white. After that, from the brightness and contrast effect, let's make the contrast parameter value around 40. And lastly, from the noise effect, let's make the amount of noise parameter value around 100. Now, we need to disable the use color noise property by clicking on this box. Alright, now you can see the changes on the program monitor. Once we have applied all the effects, we may need to adjust the scale of the footage to eliminate the black line that appears as a result of the blurring process. This will help us achieve a cleaner and more polished final result. Alright, by following these steps and experimenting with the settings, you can create a stunning grainy distortion effect in Premiere Pro.